This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Shari Lyons less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 019154332. Welcome to this hilltop retreat in lovely Columbia Vista Estates with a gorgeous 3,356 square foot home built in 2004 and separate 840 square feet in-law unit built in 2009. This open floor plan includes a great room that has an amazing wall of windows, 28-foot soaring ceiling and propane fireplace with natural stacked rock and beautiful hardwood floors. If you enjoy cooking or just having a fabulous kitchen, you will be pleased with the spaciousness, the granite countertops, the high-end stainless steel appliances, double sink, chef's prep sink in the large island, pantry and kitchen window with a view. Also on the entry level you will see one bedroom with private bathroom, a half bath along with a clever wine storage nook with a wine refrigerator. The impressive master suite is upstairs with a walk-in closet and French doors opening to a private deck. The master bath has a jetted bathtub, a double head shower, closeted toilet and a double vanity. There is another bedroom with private bathroom and loft space just perfect for an office. All three bedrooms have deck access. The home is equipped with central heating and air and is on public sewer and water. There are 2 levels of wraparound Trex decks that afford great views of the 2.38 acre parcel and an ideal space for entertaining. You'll be impressed with exceptional nice detached dwelling that has 2 sleeping rooms, a full bathroom and kitchen with stainless steel appliances and access to the lower deck. The attached 3-car garage is finished with cabinets. This great location is only minutes from historic Columbia College and a short drive to Sonora, Murphy's, and Angels Camp. For more information, review the details below or contact Shari Lyons less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 019154332 at 209-532-7400.